What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE man, back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 6 Washed Denim, man. They did release today, and these guys retail for $200, man. A little bit more pricey than what we're used to seeing with a regular Air Jordan 6, but I guess they threw us some premium jeans, some Levi material on the shoes, so they raised the price up for you guys. But we're gonna talk about all that later on in the video. But before we jump into it, right now what I need you to do is subscribe right now to the channel if you have not already, and ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. You guys will be notified by hitting that bell. Like the video right now. To go for every video is 100 likes, man. So right now, if you're watching it, please hit the like button for your boy. Follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE, man. The link will be in the description box below as always. And if you want to buy some cheap shoes very near desktop kicks, man, go shop DEVINTAGEworld.bigcartel.com, man. It will be linked down below so you can save you some money on some very near desktop kicks. So all that being said, man, we're gonna jump right into this review and on feet over these Air Jordan 6 Washed Denim, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as you see, man, we got a regular Air Jordan 6 box, nothing fancy, nothing different. Like I said, it was retailing for $200, which I did not know until just now before recording this video. And the official colorway is Washed Denim Black and Cell, man. So all that meant, so let's throw it out of the way and get into this 6. You know, I met you guys with tremendous B-roll, man. I'm gonna show you guys closer looks of whatever we're talking about throughout the video. And the first thing that you have to point out with this shoe is that it is all over denim, man. You know, we got like the Levi 4-pack, we got the white pair, the black pair. We also had like the blue light wash denim on the 4 as well. This one right here is something different. We didn't get the Levi brand on it. That's why the resale isn't crazy. It's just like a regular washed denim sneaker. And I feel like they executed it well, but you know, it's a lot of stuff dropping, a lot of stuff releasing, and nobody really wants to go out and spend $200 on an Air Jordan 6 that has no hype behind it. That's just in my opinion. But you can see right here, man, the whole upper, pretty much the whole shoe is the first thing that you notice is that it is all over like different washes of denim, man. I can just imagine if they would have threw like a Levi tag or like a Travis Scott tag or anything on this shoe, man, and put a little bit of hype behind it and promoted it a little bit more, the shoe would have been crazy and everybody would have been jumping out the windows just to get these Air Jordan 6 washed denims. You didn't get any extra laces with these Air Jordan 6 washed denims. All you get is the black, which I feel like hits very perfectly off of that all over washed denim. And leading up towards the tongue, you get a brown lace holder right here. You know, we get this on all our Air Jordan 6s, but this one right here in general is like more of a khaki color. And I feel like that hit well. You can rock you some khaki denims. And I feel like it'll look very good for you to wear the khaki pants with these washed denim 6s, man, because you have that hit of khaki right here. And on that lace holder, man, of course, you get your little Jordan engraved into it. And you have a red lace holder on the top, man. You know, usually with my Air Jordan 6s, I put it down to the bottom, but you guys are going to see how we do it for the on feet. And of course, on your tongue, man, you got Jordan Air on the top, and on the inside, you get a regular brown cardboard shoe tree. And on the insole, it is all red. You have a black Jumpman on the bottom of that insole, as you can see. For me personally, man, the best part of this shoe to me, just how perfectly it contrasts off the shoe, is that milky outsole. You guys will see it in the B-roll, man. I feel like it goes perfect with that washed denim. They didn't give us like an icy blue outsole because I think that would have been too much blue. I think that would have made the shoe a little bit worse than what people already portrayed the shoe to be. The midsole mostly consists of that black and the cell hits as well. And just how we have that cell milky hit on the outsole, man, we got the same hit on the Air unit as well. Checking out the heels, you got a black Jumpman. You can see the spoiler on the back of the shoe with that white strip going across of it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too spectacular with this shoe. I just thought they were very unique. I thought it was very different, but I know a lot of people were not willing to spend $200 on a denim 6. But like I said earlier in the video, I could just imagine if they would have put Levi on this shoe, man, a lot of people would have went crazy, and you could probably see these going for a little bit on the resale market. You guys let me know right now how you feel about these shoes. Let me know if you cop them in the comment section below. You know your boy respond to all comments, so let me know right now how you feel. Are they trash? Are they heat? You guys let me know how you feel. Thank you guys for tuning into this quick review. I'm gonna try to see what I can do with the on feet, man. You guys do not judge me, because I feel like this is a hard shoe to wear, but I'm trying to do what I can for the vintage game. Thank everybody for pulling up. If you did not, hit the like button right now for your boy. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and go follow me right now over on IG at DEVINTAGEworld, man. The link will be in the description box below. And if you want to buy some cheap shoes, man, go shop DEVINTAGEworld.bigcartel.com. All the shoes on there are going for under $180, I do believe, and most of them are like 110, 120 bucks. So go buy them off of DEVINTAGEworld.bigcartel.com. It will be linked down below. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for pulling up. And all I best say about jumping to this quick on feet over the Air Jordan 6 washed denim, man. Let's get it.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks on racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home, I'm where that at, I don't know. But all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own